Hi, this is Keith with FOL-DA-TANK. Today I'm going to walk you through what we consider to be the optimal single lane through wall drafting setup. It starts with our tank. This is our single lane type 2. The difference between this tank and our single lane type 1, single lane type 1 is a rectangle. Single lane type 2 is an elongated hexagon. The triangles on the end fold in. So the single lane 2 can be stored in a much shorter spot and have the same capacity as the standard single lane type 1. So the next component of the single lane setup is we'll take a look inside the tank. We have our low flow strainer. So two components so far, our single lane type 2 and our low flow strainer. Our flange mount plate mounts directly to the frame of the tank. So once again, on the inside, we have our low flow strainer. On the outside, we're hooking up a section of hard suction hose. The hard suction hose is going to go to our 6-inch suction elbow. And imagine, if you will, this table is a fire truck. It's an engine. You hook the suction elbow up to the suction inlet on the truck, and you start pumping, drafting out of the tank. One of the other advantages of the single lane type 2 tank, when fire trucks are going by with the triangular pop-outs, it creates a safe zone a firefighter can stand back in to stay out of the way. So our kit, once again, is comprised of our single lane type 2, low flow strainer, flange mount plate, suction elbow. If you need hard suction hose, we certainly can supply it, but what we manufacture and sell here at FOL-DA-TANK are the tanks, the strainer, the flange mount plate, and the elbow. So I do have some other cool accessories on this tank. Over here is our large supply line holder. It has a 5-inch stores connection on the backside. Over here is our what we call our supply line holder single. It's our smaller, it's a 2.5-inch NST connection with the swivel. One last thing. Great for any connection you have to tighten up, such as your swivel on your elbow, your swivel on your flange mount plate, your swivel on your low flow strainer, the hammer. And we also sell these. Use this in lieu of a bowling pin. Thanks for watching.